Hello, dear friends. For this painting, I started by wetting the back side of the paper and then utilize some blue colors such as blue gray, manganese blue, ultramarine, violet, and also yellow ochre for the shining parts, and try to shape the clothes and adding much more details on the sky to form the shapes. After that, you should know that the city is mostly in the fog and there's no need to add so many details. However, you should demonstrate the architecture of the city and buildings in your painting. Okay, then for the middle part, I used wet on wet and wet on dry technique to form the faded grasses, and use dry brush to add more details. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I will answer you. I really appreciate watching this video with me. Thank you so much, guys, and I wish health and happiness for you all.